Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. We welcome you to our quarters here in Nueva Ecija, and I want you to meet the local church of Bukawi. Silence! We have decided at this moment that we will have an English speaking session for 2 hours. Only for 15 minutes. Zoom in.
50 minutes.
Now, the question is, who will succeed and who will fail? Let's start.
I'm nervous now. Welcome here. You're welcome here.
Okay, Noel, say something.
Everybody has to say something.
Yes, prepare your statement. Prepare.
Everybody has to say something.
Okay, so give me the camera. I will then go around.
Me, I have a very
The camera. No, the first speaker is Donna.
Oh, don't be shy. Don't be shy. You can do it. Hey,
Okay.
be sure.
Someone will say Donna. We now introduce Bonbon.
Bongo.
Say something about yourself.
Yes, Bongo. Trabaho ba?
Yes, myself.
I love it.
Thank you, thank you.
I love your statement.
Okay, so now let us hear from the reigning, defending Miss KLKK 2010, Desiree Marquez.
I would like to say thank you for my all support. And of course of my managers. And I'm so very thankful for all of you to all of you.
Okay, now the next person is the chosen one. Golden boy.
I feel tired.
I feel tired. Okay, next is the Japanese woman.
Mosh mosh, genki desu ka?
Oh, no, that's Japanese.
Translate.
All I just say, hello, how are you?
Okay.
How about your friend?
Okay, let's go to the macho man with a big tummy. Show your Oh, how about mine?
Did you see that?
No.
Did you see this?
Oh, let's see inside. Oh, no. Okay, new videographer, I'm tired. Let's go to the show timer. No, we don't want sample, we want English.
Say something in English. Habang boys ganda.
Bakit? Oh, but one thing is for sure that we must all get along. Okay, for the sample, let's show my tummy. Whoa. No, no response, no.
Give him a chance.
Okay, the drummer boy. Sino kuha?
There, the
Oh,
Simon.
Simon the drummer!
Simon the Bekan. I'm better today.
to my fans.
Oh!
He would like to take his pants.
You have to speak loud. Hey, you have to be quiet. This is third. Go.
What fans?
We love you too!
Okay, give me. Now without further ado, let's go to the master of the English language.
No, but you forgot the second placer.
Who's the second place?
There's first the buboy.
Oh! The second placer!
Hello there, over there. Hey, what?
Great Joyce.
What?
Sorry.
No comment. No comment.
Now you know.
Say hi.
So you might now you know.
Please don't try that.
Oh, show your shiny hair.
Thank you.
Come on. You have to do your step like that.
Tumatang.
Oh, let's hear from Rowan.
Say something, Rowan.
Now you know.
Say calculator.
Say radar.
Oh, let's go to the reigning, defending English champion.
I'm shy, my gosh. Tissue, please. Hi, everyone. I love ya. Let's end
Say
now.
something about yourself.
I'm pretty.
Oh, she's pretty. Oh, I'm tired.
She's making me fart.
Who else wants to? Okay.
Okay.
I'm tired.
Stop. Anyone?
You. How about you say something? How do you feel that you're about to graduate in a few minutes?
Uh,
Are you nervous? In a few hours. Are you nervous now?
I'm nervous. Very nervous. Nervous system. I would like to thank you guys for supporting me
Serious?
throughout the year. Throughout the year and
You look so putty on camera.
no,
You're whitey.
I'm just a good-looking guy.
It's just a reflection of light. What? It's what?
It's just a reflection from the life there.
There.
I thought it's a reflection of life. It's a light.
You're there.
No, I would like to thank you all guys for this year. A very happy year. Happy year.
Happy.
Very happy year. May you all continue this kind of service in the Lord.
To the Lord. For the Lord.
Eh, di ikaw na.
Sorry.
Sasalita ako eh.
No reaction.
Bukas, tomorrow,
It's the...
I'm still not deciding yet.
Oh! We will pray for that.
Huh?
Oh, she spoke that in
Yes,
English.
yes.
But before that...
Hindi ko maintindihan.
You have to finish your speech.
Yun lang, salamat.
Hey! Bakit?
In English.
Why are we drama?
Hindi,
In English, don't Speech. drama.
hindi, seryoso yun. Salamat. Continue nyo yung huwag yung serve nyo. Actually, natutuwa ako sa kanila kagabi. Dahil kami nga ni AJ, hindi namin na-expect na ganun yung mangyayari kagabi. Pagpatuloy nyo. Praise the Lord sa buhay ng bawat isa. Siguro pastor na nga ako next year. Siguro, pastor na ako next year. Gagraduate ako ngayon. Pero, siguro, pastor na ako next year. Yun lang, salamat sa inyo. Love you all.
The English teacher. How about
No. I can't top what he
the
said.
first runner-up.
Binok.
Say something.
Nothing.
Let's end that.
You end it.
I would like to thank And I'm going.
I'm going to the bathroom.
I'm gonna close this episode because I think it's over. And God bless. And I love you so much.
I love it so much.